So hello guys, welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, today topic about how to enable camera access on Snapchat in iPhone and iPad. So guys, lot of Snapchat user report to camera access option not available on iPhone settings and iPad settings. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone and iPad? So guys, I give you some tips and tricks about access camera on Snapchat. So easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all open the App Store and Play Store in Android and also iPhone. Then top corner you can search Snapchat. In Snapchat you can see also Snapchat update available. If you an update available, so please update your Snapchat app in your iPhone and Android devices and easy to solve your problems. Then again open the Snapchat, then you can see also this type pop-up unable to access camera. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone and Android devices? So guys, first of all come back in iPhone home screens. In iPhone home screen, find out the settings, then open the settings, then scroll down and tap on the screen time. In screen time, scroll down and you can see also content and privacy restrictions. So please tap on that. Then you can see also allow app. So please tap on that. Then you can see also camera apps on. So if you turn off camera action, so please turn on and also turn on the microphone options in your iPhone settings and iPad settings and easy to solve your problems. These all settings change after come back in Snapchat. Then you can see also off Snapchat camera apps is continue. We will need to allow the camera access in settings. So guys, how to fix this issue on your iPhone and iPad? So guys, again open the settings in iPhone and iPad, then scroll down and tap on Snapchat. In Snapchat you can see also camera options. So if you turn off camera option, so please turn on camera and also turn on microphone option in iPhone and iPad. Then open the Snapchat, then you can see also camera working in your Snapchat 100% in your iPhone and iPad, but sometimes still not working this trick in iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to fix this issue on iPhone? So please turn on and off your iPhone and iPad. So guys, first of all open the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. In general scroll down and tap on shutdown. In shutdown you can see also slide to power off. After 20 to 30 second wait, then again turn on your iPhone and iPad and easy to solve your problems. This solution after still not working, then again I give you some tips and tricks about that, so easy to solve your problems. So guys, first of all open the settings in your iPhone and iPad, then scroll down and tap on privacy. In privacy you can see also camera option. If you turn off camera, so please turn on Snapchat camera in your iPhone and iPad, and same as microphone. If you turn off microphone, so please turn on Snapchat microphone in your iPhone and iPad and easy to solve your problems. So guys, then again come back in iPhone home screens, then again open the Snapchat, then you can see so easy to solve your problems, camera problems in your Snapchat account. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram account and easy to solve.